Welcome to Mudassir Academy. Today, we'll provide a concise yet comprehensive overview of the Constitution of Pakistan, its importance, and its key features. This is essential knowledge for CSS aspirants and anyone seeking to understand Pakistan's legal framework. Part 1. Introduction to the Constitution. The Constitution of Pakistan, enacted on August 14, 1973, serves as the supreme law of the country. It defines the structure of the government, the distribution of powers, and the fundamental rights of citizens. It's a document that reflects the aspirations of the people and ensures the rule of law. Part 2. Historical background. The journey to the 1973 Constitution began with the Objectives Resolution, 1949. This laid the foundation for the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the constitutions of 1956 and 1962. These earlier constitutions had their limitations and were eventually replaced. Constitution. Drafted during Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's tenure, it was unanimously passed by the National Assembly. Part 3. Key features of the Constitution. The Constitution of Pakistan has several key features, including federalism. Powers are divided between the federal and provincial governments. Parliamentary system. Pakistan follows a parliamentary system of government with the Prime Minister as the head of government. Islamic provisions. The Constitution declares Pakistan an Islamic republic, ensuring that laws comply with Islamic principles. Fundamental rights. Citizens are guaranteed rights such as freedom of speech, religion, and equality before the law. Judiciary. The judiciary ensures that the Constitution is upheld and interprets laws when disputes arise. Part 4. Structure of the Constitution. The Constitution is divided into preamble, based on the Objectives Resolution. Parts, covering everything from the structure of the state to emergency provisions. Schedules, detail various legal and administrative frameworks. Part 5. Amendments to the Constitution. The Constitution has been amended multiple times to address changing needs. Here is a list of all the 26 amendments. First Amendment, 1974, redefined Pakistan's boundaries, removing references to East Pakistan. Sindh, 1974, declared Ahmadis as non-Muslims and defined a Muslim. Third, 1975, extended preventive detention periods. Fourth, 1975, increased minority seats and restricted courts from granting bail in preventive detention cases. 5th, 1976, limited High Court jurisdiction. 6th, 1976, set retirement ages for Supreme Court and High Court judges, 65 and 62 years respectively. 7th, 1977, allowed the Prime Minister to seek a vote of confidence from the people. 8th, 1985, shifted to a semi-presidential system, enhancing presidential powers. 1985, proposed Sharia law as supreme but wasn't passed. 10th, 1987, limited National Assembly session gaps to 130 days. 11th, 1989, proposed changes to women's reserved seats but withdrawn. 12th, 1991, established speedy trial courts for 3 years. 3rd, 1997, removed the President's power to dissolve the National Assembly. 4th, 1997, allowed the dismissal of MPs for defection. 5th, 1998, proposed Sharia law as supreme but wasn't passed. 16th, 1999, extended the quota system term from 20 to 40 years. 17th, 2000, modified presidential powers and partially reversed the 13th Amendment. 18th, 2010, enhanced provincial autonomy, renamed NWFP to KPK, and removed the President's power to dissolve Parliament unilaterally. 18th, 2010, revised the process for Supreme Court judge appointments. Dated 2012. Ensured free and fair elections. First, 2015, established military courts after the APS attack for terrorist trials. And 2016, empowered the chief. 23rd, 2017, extended military courts' tenure by 2 years. 4th, 2017, adjusted National Assembly seat allocations based on the 2017 census. 25th, 2018, merged FATA with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the 26th Amendment, 2024, included 27 clauses, such as fixing the Chief Justice's term. Part 6. Importance of the Constitution. The Constitution is vital because it maintains the balance of power among institutions, safeguards the rights of citizens, provides a framework for governance and lawmaking, ensures national unity and stability. Part 7. Challenges and future prospects. While the Constitution has served as a cornerstone of governance, challenges such as political instability, judicial activism, and ensuring provincial autonomy remain. Moving forward, strengthening democratic institutions and respecting constitutional principles are key to progress. That was a quick overview of the Constitution of Pakistan. Understanding this document is crucial for CSS preparation and for every responsible citizen. Subscribe to Mudassir Academy for more informative videos like this.